The natural Mounjaro recipe is marketed as a weight loss solution designed to mimic the effects of the prescription drug Mounjaro, a GLP-1 receptor agonist using natural ingredients. It claims to promote fat burning, reduce hunger cravings, and support overall weight management without the need for medication. While the concept of achieving pharmaceutical-like results through a natural approach sounds appealing, many are questioning whether this remedy is effective or just another myth. Some users report positive experiences, claiming they notice slight improvements in appetite control, energy levels, or minor weight loss after consistent use. However, significant concerns remain. Many customers expressed disappointment, stating that the recipe had little to no noticeable effect on their weight or health. The lack of clinical evidence or transparent ingredient details raises doubts about its potency and safety. Additionally, the high cost of purchasing the recipe guide or associated supplements makes it less accessible for long-term use. Another red flag is the absence of FDA approval or third-party testing, which raises questions about quality control and credibility. Some users also mention misleading marketing tactics that exaggerate results, preying on those desperate for quick fixes. In a nutshell, while the natural Mounjaro recipe taps into the growing interest in weight loss solutions, its inconsistent results and questionable credibility make it hard to recommend confidently. Always consult your doctor and explore trusted alternatives before trying this method. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.